Hello everyone, today I'm exploring one of Yorkshire's hidden gems, Goit Stock Waterfall. Tucked away near Harden, this place feels like something straight out of a fairy tale. If you love waterfalls, peaceful woodland walks, or just escaping the noise for a bit, you are going to love this. And this is not the waterfall, by the way, this is just a small scale one just on the entrance in. Goit Stock Waterfall sits in deep wooded areas carved by Harden Beck, a stream that eventually feeds into the River Aire. It takes about half an hour walk, maybe 15 minutes if you walk fast to get there. The waterfall itself drops to 30 feet, which might not sound huge, but the way it plunges into the narrow ravine makes it much bigger, especially after heavy rainfall. It isn't a long walk, but it can be slippery in times when it has rained. When you get closer and closer, you can hear the water getting louder, and that's when you know you're close. It's surrounded by lots of trees and greenery. It is quite steep, so I would recommend you stick to the paths. The area around Goit Stock Waterfall is classed as an ancient woodland. This means it has been covered by trees for over hundreds of years, possibly over 1,000. Because the land was never cleared or replanted, the woodland has had time to develop naturally. The path down to the waterfall is short but steep. It is not paved and there are no railings or steps. Tree roots act like natural stairs, but they can be slippery in wet weather. Mud and fallen leaves make the ground uneven all year round. Because the site is not officially developed, visitors need to be careful and take their time. The lack of sign or barriers is part of what keeps the area feeling wild and untouched. It does have no swimming signs, so you are not allowed to get into the water, and this is due to your own safety, as it can travel quite fast, and also there is a lot of rocks. Uh-oh, now here it gets a little bit risky, okay? As you can probably tell by the sound, it is really, really loud here.
Spiders on this branch.
The walk back up is a little more steeper, but it isn't too bad. You can still hear the waterfall even after you've left it quite far behind. It did start to get a little bit dark as I was walking back through. It did feel a little bit eerie when it was a bit darker, and I think it is because of the trees and also the time of day. But as soon as I got out, it just looked like daylight again. And you will see this in the next clip here. On the way out of here, I spotted some beautiful flowers. As you can tell by the video, I was quite out of breath, but it is because I had been running to get some exercise in. The sun was starting to set. Up next, I am heading to get some food, so I will be going to a pizza place. So that was the Goit Stock in the beautiful, peaceful town of Harden, not too far from Bradford. So on the way back, I decided to take a stop at Bradford and have something to eat. So I stopped off at a takeaway called Big Fellas, which sell fast food and it's known for its pizzas. This is the pizza I got, which was a barbecue chicken, and it also had doner and jalapenos. It had a really nice barbecue base sauce inside the pizza, and it also came with these dips. This one was the chili. It is officially one of my favourite pizzas I've had so far because it's just full with flavour. The cheese is so nice and stringy, and the barbecue base really makes a difference with the nice hot jalapenos as well. It was just perfect, and the doner meat really tops it off. And that's it for today. Please remember to like and subscribe for more.